What if I told you that the Linux admin jobs is not going away, but the way we do jobs is changing very fast? Today, a Linux admin who only knows commands may fall behind. I gotta tell you, and I gotta be honest with you. But a Linux admin who knows commands plus AI, plus automation, troubleshooting, scripting, and security can become a much more valuable. Hi, my name is Imran Afzal. I have helped thousands of people land the job of their dream. I also provide IT career coaching, corporate upskilling, and AI productivity workshops. So today, let's talk about how AI is changing Linux administration. So folks, for many years, Linux admins had to do a lot of work manually. For example, create users manually, update systems manually, check logs manually, write scripts manually. And sometimes after doing all that work, the only reward was another ticket in the queue. That is why Linux admins drink coffee like it is a system requirement. Okay, now AI is changing all that. AI can help Linux admins write shell scripts faster. It can explain error messages, review configuration files, and create Ansible playbooks. It can also suggest security hardening steps, summarize logs, and help troubleshoot performance issues. For example, instead of staring at a log file for 30 minutes and saying, "What is this server trying to tell me?" you can ask AI to summarize the errors and identify the possible root cause. Of course, you still need to verify the answer. AI is not your boss. AI is your assistant. So always review before running anything on a production system. Let me give you a real example. When I used to work at Saks Fifth Avenue in New York City, I had to build systems manually. I had to configure everything manually. For example, I had to apply security policies, create users, and update systems. Everything that was done, all of that was manual. And of course, it took so much of my time. Now, with automation and of course AI, many of those tasks can be done with just one click or with a simple script or an Ansible playbook created much faster, again with AI help. Does that mean my job is replaced? No. It means I can spend my time on something more productive, more important, and more valuable. Instead of doing repetitive work all day, I can focus on improving security, designing better systems, reducing downtime, and helping the business move faster. And this is not just my opinion. McKinsey reported that 88% of organizations are now using AI in at least one business function. Another Linux Foundation report found that AI is already influencing tech roles, and companies are focusing more on upskilling and open source skills to keep up with AI-driven job changes. So what does this mean for you? It means Linux admins should not be scared of AI. So this is a mindset you need to have. They should learn how to use it. So start with simple things. Ask AI to explain a Linux command, help write a bash script, and review an Ansible playbook. You can also ask AI to summarize a log file or explain why a service failed. But remember one thing, never copy-paste company secrets, passwords, private keys, or sensitive customer data into public AI tools. Always use AI safely. And folks, if you want to learn Linux properly, you can take my course, Complete Linux Training to get your dream IT job. And if you want to learn how AI is used with Linux system management, then check out my course, AI-Driven Linux System Management. Now, both of these courses and many of my bestseller courses are available on my website, utclisolutions.com. Okay, now I want to hear from you. Do you think AI can help Linux admins? Or do you think it will replace some Linux admin tasks? Please comment below because your input will help others significantly. Also this week, take one Linux task you do manually, for example, and ask AI how to automate it. Maybe creating a user, maybe patching, or maybe log review. Try it, test it in your lab, of course, first, and see how much time you save. So folks, if you learned anything from this video, then I request you to please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's keep learning together.